Namaskar students. I hope you all have done the good practice of Tux Paint. Today we will start a new chapter number 3, MS Paint. So, do you know what is MS Paint? Yes? Okay. If you know about MS Paint, very good. If you don't know about MS Paint, that time I am telling you what is MS Paint. So, let's begin. What is MS Paint? MS Paint is a drawing program which is used to draw and color the drawing. It means with the help of MS Paint we can draw any type of drawing and we can fill the color according to our choice. Now the next question is how to open MS Paint. I am just telling you how to open MS Paint. You can see this picture here. Here the steps are given. You can see the numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the steps to open Paint program. So at first we will click on this button. Do you know the name of this button? The name of this button is Start button. So at first we will click on Start. Then we will click on All Programs. Then we will choose Accessories and then we will click on Paint. When you will click on Paint, the Paint window will open. So again I am telling you how to open MS Paint or Paint. To open Paint, we have to click on Start, then All Programs, then Accessories and then Paint. Now after clicking on Paint, the Paint window will open. So I am just showing you the Paint window. This is our Paint window. You can see on the top we are having one bar. The name of this bar is Title bar. This bar shows the name of the program. Here the name of the program is Paint program and this bar also shows the name of the file. Whatever file name we will give, it will show that name also. And then at the right side you can see 3 buttons. What is the use of 3 buttons? The first one is minimize button. With the help of this button we can minimize the paint window. The second one is restore or maximize button. We can increase or decrease the size of MS Paint window with the help of this button. And the last one, cross, that is close button. What is the use of this button? This button is used to close the paint program. How to use all these buttons, I am just telling you. When you will click on minimize, you can see the paint is closed and it is at the bottom. It means it is on the status bar. You can see here the icon of MS Paint is coming. So by just clicking on it, you can open it. The next one is restore or maximize. You can see this time my MS Paint window is in maximize form. It means my full screen is open this time. So the name of this button is this time restore. When I will click on it, you can see the size of my window will decrease. When I will click on it, now the name will change. You can see now the name is coming maximize. So when I will click on it, that time the size of the window will increase or maximize. The last one is the close button. With the help of this button, we can close the paint program. But this time I will not close because I have to teach you So after the class, I will tell you the use of this cross button. Okay. Now I am coming to the next one, the second one. Here you can see file, home, view. The name of this bar is menu bar, and this bar contains so many options. This bar, the name of this bar is menu bar. What is the use of this bar? This bar contains so many options which we can use at the time of drawing in MS Paint. Okay, in detail we will study in our next classes. Okay, now I am coming to the next one, that is select. Can you see this dotted box here? What is the use of this? The name of this, yes, the name of this tool is select tool. With the help of this select tool, we can select any drawing in MS Paint. Now I am coming to the next one. You can see here the 6 tools are coming here. Yes, what is the name of this box? And one more is also here, brushes. So this box is called tool box, and this box contains so many tools. This box contains so many tools. So with the help of, why I am saying so many, because when you will click on brushes, you will get different type of brushes. That's why I am saying so many tools. So here this box contains so many tools. With the help of these tools, we can draw so many things and we can make our drawing beautiful. So the name of this box is toolbox. Now I am coming to the next one. The name of the next tool is shapes tool. You can see different shapes are here. So with the help of these shapes, we can draw anything in our drawing. You can see when I am clicking on anyone, I can draw anything like this. Okay, so these are basically shape tool. Now I am coming to the next one, color 1 and color 2. You can see here the color 1 and color 2. What is the use of this? The name of this color 1 is foreground color, and the name of the color 2 is background color. What can we do with the help of this color 1 and color 2? With the help of color 1, we can fill the color in the drawing, and with the help of color 2, we can fill the color in the background. How can we do? To use the color 1, I am just telling you how to use this. I am just clicking on color 1. I am just choosing the color, and then I will click on fill with color tool. Then I can fill the color. I am just pressing the left mouse button. To use the color 2 or background color, at first I have to click on it, and then I have to choose the color, and then I can just press the right mouse button. I have to just press the right mouse button. When I will press the right mouse button, my background color will change. So this is the use of color 1 and color 2. Near the color 1 and color 2, you can see so many colors are here. The name of this box is color box. With the help of this color box, you can choose any color of your choice. Now, you can see this area where I am doing the drawing work. Can you tell me the name of this area? Yes, the name of this area is drawing area. So with the help of this drawing area, we can draw anything. It means in the drawing area, we can draw anything. So in this class, whatever I told you, just revise all the things. In the next class, we will study more tools and we will draw in the MS Paint.